Robert Heffernan with EndoTech, contributor to the Pareto Network and EndoTech subscribers. This is Blockchain Vitals. It's our daily show. Happy Boxing Day. It is the 26th of December, 2018. This is for the 27th, though. It's already morning in Asia. Good morning in Asia on the 27th. Crypto hump day, right? Because cryptos never sleep. They trade 24/7, 365 days a year, including Saturday and Sunday. So Thursday's hump day. Welcome to Thursday in Asia. Let's do the rounds and talk about it. And it being blockchain assets. Doing the rounds, I do it every day, talking about something that I find interesting in the space. And this was a headline from today, in quotes, and this is from Crypto News Network, I believe. Extremely bearish, in quotes. Crypto VC says Bitmain layoffs could spell doom for Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin. And here we go again with a prediction not based on price discovery. And it very well may be spelling the doom, the Bitmain layoffs. But my point is that this statement is made in a snapshot of time. In other words, all things being equal, it would be extremely bearish or could spell doom. The problem I have with this and any other fundamental analysis is that everything is always in motion. I've said this before. There's always things going on. Things are changing. And these statements, although, you know, I don't mind trying to find a fundamental opinion on a market, I still hold all of these things with a grain of salt, because until that chart tells me that that opinion is correct, I don't care to have it either way, right? And things change and things continually change. And what spells doom for Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin right now might be different in a day from now or 2 days from now or a week from now. And the only way I can really interact with the market then, because there's too much information out there to make heads or tails of, is to be a slave to the price action. All right? That's what I do. All right, and we're going to take the vitals here and actually talk about price discovery, what's going on in the markets. So why don't we do that? Let's take the vitals. Hey, you know what? Before I do that, though, I must bring it back up and to everybody's attention. Christmas Eve present to the whole world from EndoTech, our ET bot, now available at Bitfinex. So 2 places to trade right now and turn the ET bot on. That's Bitfinex and Kraken. And we will be adding more exchanges as we roll through the end of this year. Maybe nothing by the end of this year, but for sure first quarter next year, more exchanges that the ET bot will be available for trade on. So Merry Christmas to EndoTech and to EndoTech subscribers with the ability to connect to Bitfinex and turn on the ET bot. Please do it. All right, let's take the vitals. All right, taking the vitals, we do it every day, and I try to concentrate on one coin every week. And this week, that's going to be Ethereum. Ethereum right now trading 129.75. We've had a few touches, some mild penetrations of this momentum level, this up momentum level on the daily, but really no close below it yet. And I think today's action is going to be very important, what we do. I am long some cryptos, not Ethereum in particular. But if I were long Ethereum in particular, I would for sure want to be out if we get below the low made, which was near that up-mo level on Christmas Eve. And that low, hold on, let's get it to you. That low, 120.62. They take that out, wouldn't want to be in it. And or close, you know, if we get a close below up momentum today, but we don't take that level out, then that level for sure is my hard stop area. So we've basically about 3 days of congestion now. I really firmly believe that this market is either going to, I love this one. It's going one way or the other. But I think it's going one way or the other for a fairly large size, right? I either think this thing catches a bid here in the Asian session, and we go test this weekly, the weekly center line, 162.40 that I've been talking about all week. 162.40. And on outperformance, maybe we get to that 168 upmo collar on the daily. And as long as it's holding an up momentum, that's kind of my opinion. I'm leaning more towards that being the case. If it cannot hold the momentum, though, a couple of retracement areas that I think we go check out. 108.04 is the center line, and that lower momentum level, call it $88. If you are looking patiently for places to buy on retracements, both of those levels are good levels to buy on retracements. All right, listen, we're going to do the rest of the vital sheet here, but in order to do that, you need to be an EndoTech subscriber, so please subscribe at EndoTech. I'm going to say goodbye to the YouTube crowd, and we will continue the sheet, so see you later, YouTube.